Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Now click on the sign in button at the top section and then proceed forward with your email address and your password and you will be logged into your account right away. Now once you are logged in, click on the gear icon at the left side and then click on Go to Admin Center. Now from the Admin Center page, if you click on Account, you will see your subscription options. However, there is no option to delete your account. So from your Admin Center homepage, click on Help and Support and now you will be taken into the Help page. Now from this page, just click on the Chat button at the bottom right corner and you can access the Zendesk chat support page. You can simply type in that you wish to delete your account within this box and then send the message and you will receive a response from the support team with the instructions that you can follow to delete your account. Once you follow these instructions, your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.